Let's build a sleek heads-up display interface completely from scratch. Start with a dark canvas and use the ellipse tool to create thin concentric circles. Reduce opacity and apply outer glow with a soft cyan tone. Add straight lines and angled shapes using the pen tool to mimic scanning components. Duplicate elements and rotate them for complexity, but keep spacing balanced. Use small dashed strokes for measurement rings. Insert glowing dots and tiny ticks to simulate active sensors. Now add faint blurred streaks behind certain lines to create motion. Incorporate digital numbers or microtext using fonts like Orbitron or Eurostyle. Apply Gaussian blur to some pieces to create depth layering. When animated or used on thumbnails, this interface creates